Welcome to another video, and we are in beautiful Asbury, and just check out the daffodils. They are looking spectacular this year. They've got roadworks here, so it's just causing a little bit of chaos, but it's just an absolute beautiful time of the year to come to Asbury. Pretty windy day today, and a little bit on the cold side. So give this another 2 weeks and this will be absolutely spectacular. And lights are causing pretty much chaos today in Asbury. Well, welcome to another self-flying drone adventure, and we're here at Asbury with the beautiful daffodils. So let's take a walk and see what it looks like today. And I think you can see it looks pretty spectacular. Absolutely awesome. It just looks amazing with the church there. The daffodils are not fully out yet, but it certainly is a beautiful time of the year. I really like this daffodil with the orange inside. It just looks spectacular. What a great time of the year. Trying these follow shops just at a little bit of a lower altitude. And I think the Hover X1 is doing a spectacular job to show you the beautiful daffodils here at Asbury today. A little bit on the windy side, but I think this video is looking pretty spectacular. Let me know in the comments what you think about this Hover X1 adventure today here in beautiful Asbury. Hope you've enjoyed this very short video today of the Hover X1 drone here in March 2024. If you've enjoyed the video, of course give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments and subscribe to the channel. And we will see you on the next adventure with this little guy over in California and Australia, coming soon.